Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Merit Beauty. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go and subscribe, please. This is the only way you can support me. Press the red button so that anytime I upload video, you can receive it. You don't need for me to share it before you will see it. So please help me, guys. This is the only thing I want for you. This is the only support your sister wants from you. Please. Okay, let's talk about the video I uploaded yesterday about my boyfriend dumped me because I am pregnant. So that video, it was not something that happened to me, but it's something that can happen to everybody. Everybody. Something that is really happening in the world. So why I do that video yesterday is to give advice to my fellow girls. I know people were saying, "Are you the one? Keep the baby." I'm not the one. I'm not pregnant. Yeah, I just want to make you all understand why I do that video yesterday. So today I'm here to advise my fellow girls like me. I want girls to know what they want, and I want them to know the value of themselves, and I want them to respect themselves, and I want them to stop running after men. Man's supposed to run after us, but not us to run after them. That video is all about something we all can learn from. Imagine you are dating a guy, let me say more than 5 years or 4 years, 3 years, for example. And this guy is telling you that, "Babe, I'm not ready to be a father yet," or "I'm not ready to marry." So it's for you to understand that this guy is not ready. If you know that you are ready to be a mom, or you are ready to get married, and you see the relationship is not working the way you want it, okay, the best way for you is that leave that relationship so that you will not end up with cry at the end. So leave that relationship, go to someone else, because I believe the way you are looking a way to be a mother, someone else is looking a way to be a father. Then you will meet someone else that is ready to be a father or is ready to get married. So like that, you'll be happy with your relationship. So you understand what I'm trying to explain. You cannot just force yourself on a man that is not ready to be a father. And you yourself, you know, say that relationship is not the work at all. You know, say way not the there. Then when you say you can't get belly now, you want to use that belly to tie the boy down. But you're supposed to get on for your mind, say that relationship not go anywhere. And even though say you still get that baby, that boy, as far as say don't tell you say, he never ready. He never ready. If you know say, you know see get time, again say like you don't see the advance, like your age don't see the go. Because they say when you leave bad thing, that means you are going for something good. So why I'm here today, I want women, we girls, we should be strong for ourselves. We should be proud of ourselves. We should be hardworking so we can get what we want. So I don't want us to depend on a man. I want us to support our husband. I want us to support our boyfriend. I will tell you later how you are going to support your boyfriend. Because you think the man is the head of the house. You want to leave everything for him. But do you believe one day, this guy, if he tired, he go run? Or if you see person maybe say they support him, he go leave you. He don't dump you, like be that. You understand? So we try, we know what we want, we know the kind of man we want, so that we will not go for. At the end of the day, we will not come be single mother. We be saying only you want to take care of your. You are only one to take care of the pikin. We be say you born. You're supposed to take care of your baby with his father. That one is the best way for us. We should stop buying men with money. Money cannot buy love. Money have nothing to do with love. We say love, 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 love. We don't even know the meaning of love. Do you know relationship is all about support? We need to support each other. Like for example now, let me tell you how you are going to help your partner. For example, you and your partner now they stay together before. Like now they pay house rent, now they do everything. Maybe one or two things could happen. You can't lose in job, or you can't lose in apartment. Then you could stay with you. Then you could try to they use this boy like house boy or your son. Maybe say you could send message anyhow. You can't try to control this guy based on say this guy no get where they go again, or you no get anybody maybe say go fear help him. Now only you want go fear help this guy. But you don't forget say the same boy maybe say na the same money they give your family every month. This boy na be the person will be say if they come for travel, this boy na go see buy something will be say if I can't give you. Now this boy na they pay us rent before, because he don't they feed down now. You want to turn out to ask boy? It's not fair. It's not fair. You forget when the time when they pay. And this guy now help you. Maybe say nobody was there for you. Okay, now you go outside, go bring another man. Come where your boyfriend they based on say they stay with you. Now you they feed down, now you they pay us rent. Because you not get where they go. And tomorrow night the boy don't leave you now. Go marry, maybe God don't bless him. You go marry another woman. Tomorrow you call they cry, hell, as I help this boy rich. So now today, now so it say leave me. You are the one that drive this guy away from your life. The guy did not leave you. He leave you because of your bad behavior. Everything this guy have done for you, you forget all. Because this guy have a problem. Is that what you call love? We should not do something like that. It's not supposed. Because say you go club, you see one fine boy. Maybe say he draw tattoo for body. He wear one marker shirt. He wear one kind jeans. You could fall in love with this guy. And this guy come try to get your whole attention now. See the way they dance for club. See the way waiting you wear, you put all your body down. See your breast, everything they show. If this guy gets your attention, he have nothing to do with you. You should try and respect yourself. He will tell you one day, say, girl, you are not the kind of woman that I want. You are for public. Because you do not respect yourself. Why can't you dress responsible? It's not by opening your body that someone will love you. No. It's the way you dress yourself. That is the way people will respect and value you. And if you do not value yourself, nobody is going to value you. If you do not respect yourself, nobody is going to respect you. If you do not know what you want, that means you are dead. You are finished. Okay, you are asking God, God, give me a good husband. I want a guy that will take me like a queen. I want a guy that will treat me like princess. I want the guy that can take care of me. If you want that to be possible, you are the one to do that for yourself. Yeah. Because I believe when you are hardworking, when you are trying to put food in the table, when you are trying to support your husband, definitely this guy will treat you like a queen. It's not every time sitting at home doing nothing. Is it every time your children will come for school and say, Mommy, what do you do today? What are you going to tell them? That you are watching TV? You don't want your children to be proud of you as the best mother? How long are you going to continue to be a single mother? How long? Because you see your mates, they are having children. You want to have children? Because you see your mates, they are having children to get documents. You too, you go ahead and get pregnant. At the end of the day, you do not have the document that you want. And you start regretting. God, why me? God, what is wrong with me? Nothing is wrong with you. You are the one that used your hand to cause your problem to yourself. Because it did not wait for the right time to come. Maybe that time, that guy will start telling you, I told you, I'm not ready. But you forced me to do this. Maybe you are not with that guy. Maybe the guy is in another country. You too, you are living in another country. And how do you think that relationship is going to work? Do you know sometimes the children, they like to see their father. Like they wake up in the morning, daddy, good morning. They like to play with their father, you know. But it's not every time they are seeing you, they are not seeing their father. They will ask themselves, where is my father? How long We should be careful. We should know what we want. If a guy said he did not want you, let him go. To be with someone is not by force. If it's not good for you, it's good for another person. And if the guy did not know the value of you, other person is there that will know the value of you. Or because you just see one guy maybe say get money, you just rush enter. You know, even rate this guy, how the character be. Because he won't go shop money. You not prevent yourself. You make belle enter. Maybe the money may feel they give you before. You tell me you never born. Or you tell me you never get belle for him. And when you don't born, the guy, you know they give you that kind of thing again. And you not get what they do. You not get your own handwork. Why? Why can't you study someone before you will start victim? Why? After you start regretting, you did not even know him because he have money. You want to go and shop money. But if you work hard, you will still have that kind of money. You will achieve your dream. Some of our guests here, they don't know why, because they don't know why they leave Africa. Why you leave Africa today? Because you did not have that opportunity that you have here today. And when you come here, now you can't lose your sense. You can't carry one fine boy put for head. You not gonna know the reason why you come up for us again. You can't begin to go club every Saturday, every Friday. You go to waste money. Or money will be say, you know if you take buy iPhone for yourself. Because you take buy one iPhone, go give boy. Or money will not give. Person will be say he need them. Go give one boy because he don't want me to leave you. Now that will make you come up for us. Now that will be the things that will be say you want to achieve. The way to help your boyfriend, you know the reason why you are going to help this guy. Because that guy already did there for you the time when you need him. He not abandon you. He not leave you for inside that thing, that pain. Now the same guy, now you feel this okay, you feel see there with, you feel see help. Because it already helped you. You understand? So, please, we should know what we want. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is the only support I want for you guys. Thank you all. Please try and take this advice. See you on my next video. Bye.